it is happening. So for the custard, we have all eggs, milk, cream, sugar, cornstarch, salt, butter, and real vanilla bean from Tahiti, of course. Milk, extraordinary vanilla beans from Tahiti. You know, when I smell them, I can hear the waves. I know it's bizarre. And a bit of salt. Let's bring this to a boil. So now I'm gonna bring this to a simmer and let it steep for 15 minutes. So now I'm doing the second part of the custard. So sugar, whole eggs. Girlfriend, you better have strong arms, I'm telling you. And I'm gonna add cornstarch. See how it is breaking around the edges? That means that it's gonna be ready in the fraction of a second. It's going on with me. So I'm adding the milk very slowly. So now I'm tempering, which means that I bring the egg mixture to temperature so it doesn't cook, right? Because we don't want to make an omelette. Little bit of whisking. Medium heat, and we're gonna let it cook until it hardens a bit. It must appear like a little like bumps appear, but it's all good because we're gonna strain the custard when it's cooked. So all that's gonna disappear. How smooth and beautiful it is. Now, time to strain. And you push it so much that nothing comes out. No, I'm just kidding. Now I'm gonna add some butter to it. So it will give the texture a little bit of fluffiness. So see, the consistency is perfect. Creamy and velvety. Plastic touched the cream, so there is no space in between. Therefore, no moist can sneak in. Okay, let it sit for a little bit. It's like a poem to me. I can hear the song. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's absolutely delicious. And don't forget, we drop a video every Thursday night at 6 p.m. I hope to see you soon, and thank you. Bonsoir.